Hello, and welcome to another episode in the garage. Intros can be kind of boring. Let's skip to the making stuff part. Tad on the grimy side. Sucker didn't want to let go. Wiper's in pretty rough shape. The seal's almost completely shot. There's like metal shavings in here. The oil coming out of this. This would be the left side. Just black as night. That's not good. Oh. Holy smokes. Gotta replace that bolt. Holy cow. Don't think there's anything special about that. Here's where all the black came from. The bushing is totally junk. Stay. Holy smokes. Look at that. Jeez. Pull out the other one. This one won't look a whole lot better, but it is better. It's supposed to be a ring of brass around that. Look at that. Jeez. Change this wiper right here. That doesn't look terrible. Look how nasty that oil is. And that's mainly from that one fork. Ew. Alright, so I got these from the EU. No one had them in the States. And I had to wait 2 weeks to get these things. So I've ordered the outsides and the insides. And they snap on there just like brand new. They look exactly like the parts I took off, which is usually a good sign that you got the right parts. And we'll get to these once the powder coating's done. Okay, so the next step is going to be sandblasting. And obviously, you don't want to sandblast everything. This surface right here is supposed to seal, so we're going to cover that up and protect that, as well as some of the bearing surfaces in here and some of the seal surfaces for the screws, all those kinds of things. There's plenty of things on here that we have to do the same. So I'm going to mask everything up before sandblasting. Once we get that done, we have to unmask it, clean everything, and then remask it again for powder coating. So it's going to be a long process. Let's get after it. All right, well, it turned out really awesome. I loosely assembled it here so I can get a feel for how it looks all together. And I love it. I like the color, and I think it looks fantastic. I got the dive dampening system back on here on both. Bummer is that one side didn't even have boots on it. The other side had boots, but one of them was ruined. And so I'm going to just opt to not having any on there. It shouldn't affect the function at all. It's very unlikely that it'll be dirt and grime that'll keep it from functioning. You can't find them on the internet anywhere. Buying a used set of forks just for these boots seems ridiculous and very unlikely that those boots will still be good anyways. So we'll go without, and we'll move on to the next step. So the next step will be getting these bad boys in there. So after a bunch of sanding and buffing and then resanding and rebuffing, I believe I got this fork to a usable state. The previous owner apparently had some difficulties getting it out the last time, and it looks like they were really, getting after it with a screwdriver in multiple locations, unfortunately. But I'm gonna make the best out of what I've got here. It's not like you can go to the local auto parts store and buy another one of these. So we're just gonna make it work. And the next step is the bushing that goes down inside of this piece, which seems to be a little on the large side. It looked like I'd have to pound it pretty hard to get it in there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hold it in here like this, and then I'm gonna drop that cold sleeve on there, and we're gonna press it down in there. Hopefully that is a little easier and doesn't wreck something in the process. All right, here goes nothing. That's not working very well. It's like impossible to... I see. That counterbore right there is almost the same size as the sleeve. That's super sucky. Number 2. Okay. Hey, now we're getting somewhere. Upside down. Got a nice flat surface on the old bearings. All right, here we go. That one home. I think it's working. Oh yeah. Definitely working. Ruining my workbench. So, oh. Alright. A little bit further. worked. Awesome. Oh, thank goodness for keeping spare parts around. That's why you never throw anything away. Alright. So that is flushed down there. And then we drop one of these bad boys on there like here. We put one of these bad boys on there, and I have to remember which direction the lip goes. Okay, so it shows something that doesn't make any sense. Oh, please. Deep wiper goes on the bottom. Like that. All right. Now, and we get this in there. Now, last piece of the proverbial puzzle. Yeah. Ta-da! Okay. Ow. This bad boy here. And through a little bit of movie magic, and by that I mean I ran out of space on that card and I had to switch to another card, and I figured, well, I'll just put it together and show you what it looks like when it's done. So here it is. Check it out. Boom. That thing is, look at that. Love those chrome screws in there. That's so sick. And then all the bracketry that'll be on here, plus the brakes. It's going to look pretty sweet when it's all done. But for the forks, we're all set here. We just got to throw some oil in it when we finally assemble it. But that's it for this video. I appreciate you guys for watching. And as always, you guys, be careful out there.